Hello students. Today we are going to learn the difference between the mass and the weight. Students, are the mass and the weight of a body are same? The answer is no. The mass of a body is not equal to the weight of a body. Here is the explanation why the mass and the weight are not same. In picture, there is same object placed at the surface of the earth as well as at the surface of the moon. Will the amount of matter in the object be different? The answer is no. The amount of matter in the object is not different. It is same on the earth as well as on the moon. Then, which factor affects the weight of a body? Students, you all have learned the physical quantity weight in 9th standard. Then, what is the definition of weight? Weight is a force exerted on the mass due to Earth's gravity. Therefore, mathematical expression for weight is equal to mass into acceleration. As we have learned, the weight is the product of mass and acceleration. Here, weight is denoted by letter W and gravitational acceleration is denoted by letter G. Therefore, the equation becomes W is equal to m multiplied by G, where m is the mass of a body and G is an acceleration due to gravity. MKS or SI unit of weight is kilogram per meter per second square, which is called Newton, and it is represented by letter N. CGS unit of weight is gram per centimeter per second square, which is called dyne. The relation between Newton and dyne is given by 1N is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. That is 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. Here is the difference between the mass and the weight. Definition of mass. The amount of matter present in the body is called the mass. Definition of weight. The force of attraction of the earth acts on a body is called weight. Mass is a scalar quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. MKS unit of mass is kilogram. MKS unit of weight is Newton. CGS unit of mass is gram. CGS unit of weight is dyne. Mass can never be zero and weight is zero at the center of the earth. Mass is same everywhere, but weight changes from place to place. Here is our next concept, free fall. In first picture, suppose that we are holding a glass with colored water in our hand. The glass has a small hole at the bottom. From that hole, the colored water is falling down. We can see that in picture 1. In second picture, suppose we release that colored water glass from our hand. It starts falling towards the earth. But you observe the picture carefully, you can see that the colored water does not release from the hole which is present at the bottom while glass is falling down. Why it is happened? Can you recognize? In first picture, the only gravitational force acts on the colored water. And in second picture, the gravitational force, frictional force and the force of buoyancy acts on that colored water. Therefore, in first picture, we see the concept of free fall. Here is the definition of free fall. When object moves under the influence of gravitational force only, then it is said to be free fall. Here are Newton's kinematical equations of motion for free fall condition. In free fall condition, initial velocity u is equal to 0 meter per second square and gravitational acceleration a is denoted by letter g. Then the first kinematical equation becomes v is equal to g multiplied by t. The second kinematical equation becomes s is equal to gt square divided by 2. And the third kinematical equation becomes v square is equal to 2gs. Today's homework. Thank you.